Kidding aside, this place really looks fantastic. Very chill and cozy. We ordered their bestseller, the Smash Burger, and fries with cheese and bacon. Tingnan nyo naman, ang ganda ng view. Lalo na itong dalawang to, oh. Sobrang natuwa lang talaga ako sa aesthetic na tong restaurant na to. And it's very near D-Mall. So very accessible. Actually, pwede rin uminom dito. Yung mga Korean sa tabi namin nakakatatlong beers na ata sila. And again, look at this view. So since kakakain nga lang namin ng mangga, we just decided to share. And sa totoo lang, good decision. Kasi I don't think mauubos namin kung nagtag-isa kami ng burger. And as we were eating this, sinasabi namin sa isa't isa na mauulit to kasi ang sarap nung burger. Noong una, hindi masyadong na-happy si Paul sa fries kasi crispy siya on the outside. Akala niya matigas. But it's perfect drizzled with the cheese kasi hindi siya magiging soggy. Medyo pricey nga lang dito. The burger and the fries cost almost 700 pesos. But then again, kagaya nga ng ginawa namin, pwede siya for sharing. Again, this is Back Beach Burger near D-Mall. So after that, we went back to the hotel and rested. Ganon ang routine namin. After lunch, balik sa room. Sleep, tapos lalabas na lang ulit pag around 4 o'clock na for the sunset. And if you watch my day 1 vlog, you would know that we are headed to only one place. And that's MCJ Ihaw Ihaw. Oo, paulit-ulit. Ang sarap kasi. We ordered the same thing we ordered yesterday. Isaw manok, isaw baboy, and a hotdog. Kahit yung mga kumakain sa loob ng restaurant, umu-order kay ate. Plus again, this area is the perfect spot to watch the sunset. After no ihaw-ihaw, naghanap kami ulit ni Paul ng place kung saan pwede kami mag-volleyball. Medyo maaga-aga pa so mas konti pa yung tao. But once we started playing, dumami na. Actually, marami kaming nakalaro today. Maraming nakijoin sa amin while we were playing and that's fine. And ayan na nga, since malapit na yung sunset, ang dami ng tao. Almost everyone is taking videos of the sunset. And syempre ako rin. I swear Boracay really has the most beautiful sunsets. After that, nag-crave si Paul ng fruit shake so we went to Jonas. Weird lang kasi if you pay daw via GCash, may additional 10 pesos. Parang sila lang establishment na nagcha-charge ng ganun. So ayan, happy na naman po siya. At this point, it's already dinner time and since wala kaming maisip na kainan ni Paul, we went to our go-to spot, Andoks. Nag-share ulit kami sa isang sinigang ang sweet. Pero kung inaakala nyong nabusog ako dito, nagkakamali kayo. Dahil konting langoy-langoy lang ulit sa pool sa hotel at gutom na naman ako. Kaya inaya ko ulit si Paul lumabas at maghanap ng pagkain. Buti na lang sa hotel namin may malapit na potato corner and master siomai. Kaya naman in-avail na natin yan. So ayan, ako naman ngayon ang masaya. See you guys again tomorrow!